Hello, this is Mary with All Things Automotive, bringing you here today a 2019 Ford F-150 XLT. This vehicle features a 2.7-liter V6 gasoline engine with four-wheel drive. There have been no accidents or damages reported to CARFAX, and this vehicle has had two previous owners as well. As we get closer here to the front of this half-ton pickup, you'll be able to see that it is a sleek Oxford white clear coat with chrome and black accents, as you'll be able to see there on the front grille, as well as down around those tow hooks and fog lights. Those fog lights will help you out in inclement weather. And speaking of inclement weather, we'll come along here to the side and take a look at this vehicle's tires and wheels. This vehicle features chrome 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels with dark gray insides, and as for the tire treads, you have got a good amount of life left in them, but I'll get you those exact measurements here in just a second, as this vehicle, along with all the other vehicles here at All Things Automotive, has undergone a new multi-point inspection, as well as received a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a new engine air filter. So you don't need to worry about replacing any of those anytime soon. Here on the outside of your mirror caps, you do have your turn signal indicators integrated into those, and on the insides on the mirrors, you'll be able to see that these mirrors are heated, which help to prevent them from fogging up, as well as to help de-ice them in inclement weather. And behind all of those wheels, you do have mud guards, which will help to prevent not only mud from flinging up on your vehicle, but from anything that might chip away at the paint, like gravel or stone chips. All along the bottom of the cab, you do have black running boards to help you get in and out with ease, and all along the top of the window, you do have rain visors. We'll now take a look here to the inside of this pickup. Here on the inside of this vehicle, you do have a lovely jet black cloth upholstery on the seats for a smooth and comfortable ride. And like I had mentioned earlier, you do have those chrome and black accents making their way up the dashboard. While we're looking over here, I'll just open up the glove box and bring you the results of that multi-point inspection that I was talking about. And as you'll be able to see here on this inspection form, you do have green checks the entire way around. And as for your tire treads, you have 13 30-seconds in all of your tires. And as for your brake pads, you have 12 30-seconds in the front and 11 30-seconds in the rear. So you have a long ways to go before you need to replace any of those wearables. I'd also like to mention that with the purchase of this vehicle, you do get the original owner's manual with it as well. So if you have any questions after you buy it, you'll be able to look them up in there. We'll now continue on to take a look here at the rear occupant seating. As you'll be able to see back here, this vehicle can seat a total of 5 people, and for these rear occupants, you do have 2 cup holders up here, as well as power outlets to charge their mobile devices. You also have pockets on the backs of both of those front seats. And down on the floors, you do have all-weather floor mats and all of the seating positions to help keep your floors nice and clean. Over here on the door, all of the doors do have several storage spaces in them, as well as powered windows. I'll just close that door and we'll continue on to take a look here at the rear of this pickup. As you may have already noticed back here, this vehicle does come with a pre-installed tow bar for a trailer hitch hookup, and right behind it you do have a spare tire if you're ever in a pinch. You also have a backup camera to help you whenever you're parking or going in reverse. I will just open up the tailgate to show you how much space you have in the bed. And as you'll be able to see, it does go down by itself without slamming, as this pickup does come with tailgate assist. Alright, as you'll be able to see back here, this half-ton pickup does have a bed that's about 5.5 feet, so you've got plenty of space to haul some pretty nice loads back here. You also have a spray-in bed liner to help protect the bed against any nicks or scratches. And we'll just put the tailgate back up, and we'll continue around to the driver's side. While we're making our way over, I do want to point out you do have a soft tri-fold to no cover up top to help protect whatever you put in the bed from the elements. This pickup also does come with remote start as well. You also have a door code on the outside of that driver door to help prevent you from ever getting locked out. And this pickup does have powered mirrors, powered windows, and powered door locks. As for the driver's seat, you do have 8-way powered seating adjustments, so you can move the seat forwards, backwards, up, down, tilting the seat forward and back, and then 2-directional lumbar support. You also have a telescopic steering wheel, meaning you can move it in and out as well as up and down to fit you as you like. And to the left of that steering wheel is just your dashboard backlight controls, headlight controls, bed light controls, parking brake, and then those foot pedals are adjustable as well. I'll now just get inside this pickup and turn it on for you. This vehicle does use its key to start as opposed to a push to start. And now that the engine is running and the dashboard's lit up, you'll be able to see that this vehicle has about 57,058 miles on it. We'll take our attention over here to the left side of the steering wheel, as over here are your dashboard navigation buttons, so with these you can cycle through all the different information and services this vehicle provides to you. Underneath those dashboard navigation buttons, you do have your cruise controls, and then on the right side of the steering wheel you do have your volume controls as well as your Bluetooth and call controls, as this vehicle does have smartphone integration. We'll now take a look here to the center of this vehicle. Here in the center of the vehicle, you do have a lovely touchscreen, LCD display, and you also have built-in navigation to help prevent you from ever getting lost. I'll just throw it in reverse to show you that backup camera in action. It also has a wide-angle lens to help you see whatever's underneath that bumper. Beneath that, you do have controls for said display. To the left is your four-wheel drive shift, and to the right are power outlets to charge your mobile devices. Beneath that, you do have your climate controls, and the front driver's seat and the front passenger seat are both heated to help keep you comfortable in the winter. A bit farther down, you have a small space for something like your phone, 2 USB charging ports. This pickup does come with an integrated trailer braking controller. A bit farther back is your main gear shift, 2 cup holders, and then your main storage compartment back here with a removable tray and another power outlet inside. Lastly, we will take a look up, as this vehicle comes with not only a power sliding rear window, but also a dual pane power sunroof, both to really enjoy those sunny summer days. We'll now move on to the last section of this video. In the last section of this video, we do want to address that this vehicle is pre-owned, so we'll be looking around for any blemishes, nicks, or stains. We know a lot of our customers come from very far away and that the camera doesn't always capture everything. We really want you to know what you're getting with the purchase of this vehicle, imperfections and all. So as I'm looking around the inside of this pickup, nothing is really standing out to me. So we'll continue to take a look now at the outside of it. Then we'll be looking up and down for any of those imperfections, starting by coming along here to the front of this vehicle. And here along the front, we do have several nicks, most likely from stone chips. Stone chipping is extremely common. Almost every vehicle has some form of it. The only way you can really prevent it is just by not driving your vehicle. This vehicle is also a leather color, so it does tend to show a little more than a darker color might. Come along here now to the passenger side. A few nicks over here on this side as well, and on the back of that mirror cap. A scuff on the underneath of that handle. A few more nicks back here. Then we'll continue around to the rear of the vehicle. Now on the tailgate, you do have several nicks peppered around, all very small, but still there. And I will just open up the tailgate because often on pickups, where I do tend to see the most imperfections is on the top of it, as people don't take care of putting items in and taking items out. And as I take a look here, you do have a few nicks there on the top of that and a few scratches. And I will just put it back up. And we'll continue around here to the driver's side. A nick there. Some scuffs on that handle, and we are back to where we started. That generally concludes this video vehicle tour. This vehicle has a lot of great features to offer. If you're interested in a white half-ton crew pickup with the ability to seat 5, a good amount of space in the bed with a spray-in bed liner, rear backup camera, a pre-installed tow bar, a spare tire, a soft tonneau cover, black running boards, mud guards, a door code, remote start, tow hooks, fog lights, smartphone integration, built-in navigation, a power sliding rear window, a dual pane power sunroof, heated mirrors, and 4-wheel drive, this is a good option for you. If you're interested in this vehicle, come and check it out at All Things Automotive, located at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, PA. Or you can give us a call at 717-485-4224. You can also check out this pickup and other listings on our website at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great day.